Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your desktop application is unavailable in Windows. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time, type in File Explorer. That's managed to come back with File Explorer right above App. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to go select this PC on the left side, so go ahead and left click on that. And now go under whatever drive Windows is installed on. There should be a little Windows icon above the hard drive to give you the indication that's where Windows is installed on, and it should say local disk. So we're going to go ahead and double click on that. Now underneath the local disk, you want to click on the View tab, select Options, select Change Folder and Search Options. Select the View tab, and then select where it says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, and then left click on Apply and OK. Now you want to double click on the Users folder. Now there should be a default folder in here. You want to go ahead and just double click on that. Now there should be a folder in here that says Desktop. You want to go ahead and right click on that, and then select Copy. So just right click and copy, or you could just select Control C on your keyboard, whatever you prefer. And now you want to go click the back button here. You want to back it up to the Windows folder. So now they're back at the local disk. Double click on Windows. Scroll down to System32. Double click on that. Should be a config folder in here. Double click on that as well. Select Continue if you need permission to access the folder. Should be a folder that says System Profile. Go ahead and double click on that. Again, you don't have permission to access the folder. Select Continue. Now you want to go ahead and paste it in this folder. So right click and then paste. So we're going to be pasting that desktop folder in here. So just Control V if you want to use a keyboard shortcut, or right click and paste it in a blank spot. And once you're done with that, you should be good to go. You can close out of here, or you can click on the View tab and then unhide hidden items by unchecking this box if you choose to do so, whatever you prefer. Close out of here, and that should be about it. So at this point, I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.